in which there is some greenery.
Mhm.
So like I wish to have a kitchen garden when I have my own home, but right now no kitchen garden in my house.
Okay. Is there anything special in your house? Next question.
It's to me or Bindu?
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's to me. Um, well, there is a lots of things which are very special in my house, but I like the area of the courtyard uh where sit down in the evening time and have a tea, because there is table and chairs, and every day there is a fixed time at 5 o'clock. Me and my parents with my siblings, we sit together and enjoy the coffee and talk with each other, and share what happened in the whole day. So this is the place I like the most, because there is also lots of flowers in the flower pots. So it this place give me a peace, so that's why I like this
Very
area of my house.
okay. Are there any alterations needed in your house? Do you think that alterations are
Well, uh, well, I think I need to do some alterations in my house. Like I want to change uh, the bed in my house, in my room, which is very old, as well as there is some kitchen alterations which I want to do. Like I want to change the color of my cabinets,
Mhm.
and I want to put some unique color combination in my kitchen
Mhm.
as well as in my room.
Very good. How far other facilities are from your home? How far
How far?
are other facilities?
Well, I'm living in a village, and my house is a traditional house. And basically, traditional houses are open and spread in large areas. So there is not too much facilities like a modern houses, like the modern kitchen, the modern furniture, and the facilities like hospitals and the school.
Sorry to correct you, but it's not about your house. Listen carefully. I'm asking how far, कितनी दूर है? How far other facilities are from your home? आपके घर से जो facilities like school, college, कोई shop है, market है, how far it is?
Okay.
हम्म,
Well, I'm living in a village.
हम्म,
I'm living in a village, and so that's why it's not near to the hospital and the market. We need to go by bus and by car to go to the market and for the schools and the hospitals.
हम्म.
It's my home in a developing area, so that's why we need to travel a lot.
Very good. So अगर किसी के घर के पास वो चीजें तो उसके word आप लिख सकते हैं at a stone throw. मैडम, the things are available at a stone throw. अगर जैसे मेरे से कोई पूछे कि बाजार कितनी दूर है आपके घर से, at a stone throw. ठीक है, और आप at a arm distance भी बोल सकते हो. हिंदी पंजाबी में बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी बेसिकली जी ये तो बगल में ही है, तो साथ में ही है, पास में ही है.
Um,
आर्म डिस्टेंस, ARM, आर्म डिस्टेंस लिख सकते हो, और आप लिख सकते हो इसे एट अ स्टोन थ्रो. ठीक है, या एट अ 5 minutes वॉक, एट अ 10 minutes वॉक, एट अ 10 minutes ड्राइव, ये भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है ना, 10 मिनट की ड्राइव है, 50 मिनट की ड्राइव है, ऐसा 50 मिनट तो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु बिल्ट योर हाउस इन इंडिया? हु बिल्ट योर हाउस? बोलो बेटा.
Mute.
Who built your house?
Okay. Well, as I remember, my house was built by a builder, and in 2008.
Hmm.
But I remember, like, I was around 10 or 11 years when my house was built. So I remember everything, like how they built it, like from construction to arranging everything. uh, that's it, मैम. यही बोलना था कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ ये बताना है कि मतलब जैसे मेरे फादर ने बिल्ड किया ऐसा कुछ.
Father का ही आना था. वो तो that
ओके.
house has been built by my daddy, my grandfather. फिर आगे था like when was your house
कंस्ट्रक्शन.
constructed? So madam, it was constructed in 2010, 20, or it was
ओके.
constructed when I was 4 years old. ठीक है ऐसा कुछ था. Next question.
ओके.
Is there ample space in your home for children to play? Ample का मतलब होता है sufficient, काफी ज्यादा. Ma'am, there is ample sitting of 200 students. Ma'am, there is ample parking. है ना? Sufficient है. Ample space for children to play.
Yes, I in my home there is ample space for the children. There is a lot of space that we can park 3 to 4 cars at a one time, and there is a huge courtyard and the backyard as well. And we also have a garden. So in my house there is a lot of space for the children to play.
There. Very. Next question. Does your home fulfill the present needs of your family?
uh, well, I can say yes, because we recently constructed it, and we add everything according to our needs. So I can say that it uh, like it fulfill all the needs of my house family. But as we know, there are some उसको कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे हमें पता है कि कुछ मतलब कितना भी करो कि वो कम ही लगता है.
तो
तो
आप पूछ सकते हो कि सीधी सी बात है किसी ने बोला था कि घर कभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं बनता कभी भी नहीं हाउस ऑलवेज वांट रेनोवेशन कुछ ना कुछ आप
रेनोवेशंस.
सो आई थिंक दैट यू नेवर कैन से कि घर बन गया घर कभी भी नहीं बनता उसमें आपको कुछ ना कुछ कराना हर महीने बाद कोई
कुछ ना कुछ. यस.
रेनोवेशन होती रहेगी कुछ ना नया चीज आती रहेगी उसमें ओके
यस.
है ना कुछ सुनगा पहले यहाँ पे ये था नाउ वी हैव टर्न्ड दिस इनटू अ balcony balcony into a kitchen kitchen into
किचन.
पता नहीं anyhow next question is there any park or garden near your house
Yes, there is one big park near my house, and this park has every kind of facilities. Like there is a small gym for the children and for the old age group. Every evening, children and the people above age 60, they usually come over there and roam over there, and some of them do the walk and exercise. My parents also go and spend a lot of time over there.
very good next when did you last get your house painted last time
Okay.
when it was
uh,
finished
well, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was last year. Then when I painted my house, and I also make some changes in my kitchen and as well as in my bedroom at that time to make it more modern.
would you like to live in your house
uh Yes, I do. my neighbors are very supportive and friendly, because we believe in that the neighbors are the first relative, because um every like in any sudden situation and in emergency, the the neighbors always helped us. So I can say that